Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Google Authenticator app for 1xBet. First, you need to log into your 1xBet account. Then, head to the My Account menu and tap on Personal Profile from the 1xBet menu list. Then pick Security. And then click on Enable on the protection banner. Now, install the Google Authentication app. And last, scan the QR code and digit code from the app. Google Authenticator can be used to make you feel safe with 1xBet. You can also install Google Authentication apps from the App Store and activate them to gain authentication even if you are using Safari. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.